Hey guys, welcome to this new video. My name is CryptoWutu, and today I wanted to make a quick video about current price action on Bitcoin, what we've seen in the last days, and also wanted to create a short setup that I'm potentially eyeing for, and I will discuss it a little bit about with you, and also making sure that you will size correctly and manage your risk. So we'll shortly be explaining that in this video too. And then at the end of the video, I'll quickly be explaining about the new futures platform on PrimeXBT, which works really nice. I've been using it for quite some time now, and some of you have been asking to make a video about that, explaining on how it works. So I'll be doing that in this video. So basically what we've seen in the last days is we have had the ETF approval there really at the top on this graph, and apparently it became a big sell the news event on BTC. Wasn't really expecting it to have that much impact, but hey, here we go. We can't prepare for anything, I guess. So what I'm potentially looking now is I'll also be showing you a chart which really gives me a bearish feeling on Bitcoin, and I think we might be due for a larger correction. I do think we will see some higher prices first, but I think these will be prices and levels that are very good short opportunities. So it's going to be both 44.3k around there, which makes a lot of sense with this current resistance and the 0.382 FIB level from the recent move. If it goes higher, then we might actually see it go all the way to 45,900 or 46,000, and then potentially retesting this very important area around there, 44.2k, and then it will make a decision on whether we continue up or we go much lower. And I think much lower because there is a lot of liquidity around these levels, like $35,000 or even below that. So I think it makes some sense after we've had weeks or almost a year of basically up only to put ourselves into some shorting positions. How do we do that actually? Well, using TradingView, we can create a short position, and with that we can make sure we have the correct size on our Bitcoin short position, because we don't want to get liquidated. We don't want to be risking too much of our net worth, of course. So we're going to select that and then just click it there. And this is the area that we want to be entering. And then we're going to swipe our stop loss place, which should be around there. Give it some room. And then we are eyeing for much lower. This would be a first great take profit point, I think, at the bottom range here around 40,000. But overall, I think we might be looking for lower prices. We're going to be double clicking, and this is the risk that we want to be taking. So for example, 500 USDT, we're going to press OK, and it will tell exactly how much size we should be taking, which in this case will be half a Bitcoin. With that stop loss placement of 45,100. It's going to be the same. Like if this one doesn't hold, I would like to try it again around there, around this 46,000 level. We're going to have around the same stop loss size or placement, which should be around there. Or if you want to give it way more room, you can obviously put it all the way there. But I don't like playing with these kind of huge stop losses. Rather have it get over quickly and size up a little bit more. And it will tell us exactly how large the position size should be there as well, to 0.4 BTC. This is the first short position that we might be looking at. So it's going to be half a Bitcoin in short position at 44.2k. Now, also a chart that I wanted to show you is this one. Is this, and then we're gonna put it on, what is it, Renko. We're gonna zoom out a little bit, or this gives already a great view, but just put it here on the daily, and it's really, if you just like draw some basic support and resistance lines, it gives us a very clear view of what is going on without all the noise. And this is one of the main reasons I think we are in for a broader correction to 35,000 or even all the way to 30k before continuing up more. This is a great chart. It filters out a lot of noise, which is something I want to be doing more in the coming year. I want to be looking more at high time frame setups and ideas instead of the lower time frame ones. So, and I wanted to talk to you about the platform PrimeXBT. They have been sponsoring my videos for quite some time, but now recently they have a new crypto futures platform. So what we want to do to trade on this is obviously we need to transfer something to the futures account. Just gonna put some BTC in there, and then we have the option to trade and to market order and make limit orders, which is really nice. And also they have this integration with TradingView, which also makes it possible to create our own graph in the trading platform, which is really nice, I think. So you can be trading directly from here. Obviously these lines don't make a lot of sense, but so we have been discussing the potential setup that I signed for a little bit earlier. Put it there and then put it back to candles. All right, so we want to be taking a position around 44,300 and our stop loss should be 45.4. Yeah, it's a good place. That around there should be right. So this is what we want to be filling in. We're going to be risking 500 USDT, so it's going to be 0.437. It's going to be 4429 44290 and 0.45 BTC in this case. And we want to be selling this, so we're going to place the order. Perfect. We have now placed an order. And also we want to be making sure there is a stop placed for this position. So it should be on 45.4k, 45.400. Gonna be buying because we have been selling. All right. So now there is a sell limit, which we can see. If price goes there, we will be starting our short. And if the price goes all the way up there, it can be a little bit more. Give it some room maybe. Obviously my risk is a little bit higher now. I know this. We will be stopped out. But this is a short position I'm eyeing for personally. What we can also do, which is really nice, and it works great because the liquidity on this platform is so good, is we can simply market buy or sell ourselves into a position. Which is what I'm going to do now, just to show you. Place buy order, and immediately we are getting filled on this. I don't actually want to take this position now, so I'm just going to close it. But here you can also see you can immediately place your stop loss around, for example, 40,000. And you see how much risk you're taking, and you can set your take profit price. Works really nice. All right, just gonna market close it for now. And that is it for this video. I wanted to show you this platform. Works really great. It's a great feature to have this futures platform above on the global markets platform, and it's really nice to have them as a partner, so thank you for that. This is what I'm eyeing for. Take it into consideration if you want to be shorting with me. You can always follow live updates on the Telegram channel. It is free if you're not already in there, and you can find the link below on this video. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I catch you guys in the next video. Bye.